What's the meaning of cite? Cite. Cite.
Cite. Cite. The term cite refers to the act of quoting or referencing something or someone as a source of information or evidence to support a point or claim. Basically, it means acknowledging the originator of an idea or statement used in an academic or professional work to avoid plagiarism and provide credibility to the argument presented. It is essential to cite all sources used in research papers, essays, or publications to give credit to the original author, verify facts, and allow readers to access further information on the topic. Failing to cite properly can result in accusations of intellectual theft or copyright infringement.